Hello, good morning. Okay, this video is about how to come up with a shortened link to your Google Form link. Okay, because it can be a little bit annoying when you have a very long link, a very long address to your Google Form link. Okay, so for this one, I'm using Bitly. Okay, this is the website. Perhaps it has its own apps version. Please check it out. So first step is hang on. Okay, click create. Okay, so you paste your very long Google Form address here and paste it here. Okay, you'll be brought to this page. Okay, this one, customize back half. So put something that can make you identify what the form is for. So this one is for short drama. You save it and then voila, it's done. So this is the link that you're going to share with people. Okay, so simply copy or share, send to WhatsApp or any other platforms that you wish to share with others. That will be all. Thank you.